Come test drive the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, FWD, HID headlights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, auxiliary audio input. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.